Guys, thank you so much for joining. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you what you can use in removing your acne. Like you have dark spots, like you have pimples, you have dark spots. This video is for you. Just see that any kind of pimples, whether for a level 1, level 2, like there are kind of pimples like when you say, oh my god, like that kind of pimples. You need to see your doctor. If you don't want to see your doctor, disclaimer, okay, this disclaimer, I've used this DETTOL before. I've used it and it works for me when I have pimples on my face, on my side cheek. So I use this DETTOL for I think 2 weeks. It removed my pimples. Then before I started looking for something to clean the dark spot and all that. So guys, if this kind of video you like to watch, sit down and watch this video, okay? So guys, if you have not yet subscribed or you are not followed this page, please do well to follow this page, like and share this video, okay? So guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to use DETTOL, because I've seen a lot of people complaining that the thing is hot, like the thing burned their face and all that. So a lot of people are getting this wrong. Yes, a lot of people are getting this so wrong, okay? So in this video I'll be teaching you how you can use DETTOL to remove your pimples. Yes, there's no amount of pimples you have, DETTOL can remove it. I'll see somebody that DETTOL remove her pimples clearly. I will be putting the picture here for you all to see, okay? So are you seeing her face? When this is her face and before and after, guys, before and after. Like, so guys, a lot of people are getting it wrong. Yes, a lot of people are getting it wrong. If you want to get good result, if you don't want it to burn your skin, everybody's face are very different. This DETTOL is very hot. You know that DETTOL is very hot. Even if you use it to bathe, you know the way it is in your body. It cleans germs and all that. So another thing you need to do, there are 2 ways I will be teaching you. Good 2 ways I will be teaching you how you can use DETTOL, okay? First of all, you need a container like this. I'm sorry guys, you need a container like this. This is my container and I'm just showing you how you can do it if you are in that category of you have pimples, you have dark spots and you want to remove it. You want to remove dark spots from your face. Just watch this video to the end. Do not skip this video, okay, so that you understand where I am coming from. So you put a little in this place like this. This is the quantity I've put inside. I don't know if you guys can see. It's very small. So you drop it inside like this. Did you see that? Did you see what I am saying? Like you drop it inside like this, and very easy to work with. Or if you don't want to use this method, the picture you saw just now, when I saw that video, she talks about that she did not apply it on her face. I've seen a lot of people that also do it like this, okay? That also do it like this. And when I started using mine, I think 3 years ago, I also do mine like this. So this is the method that I use. That's why I'm sharing this method for you, okay? So, and the second one, I will be showing you how you can use the second one. So you all know what DETTOL does to the skin, like to the body. You can go through, before using it, you can go through the description here and all that, okay? You can go through the description on the screen, okay? And know how many quantity you are going to put inside whatsoever if you are bathing. Is here. If you are bathing, how many quantity you are going to put inside. Do not put too much. Do not put too much, okay? So you just sprinkle. This is my wiper. You just sprinkle it like this and use it to clean your face, the area you have the DETTOL and all that. So you don't leave it. Why a lot of people complain? Do you know the reason a lot of people complain? They complain because they do not wash it out. They just rub it on their face, They just rub it on their face and then use their moisturizer, use their skincare product and all that. No, that's not how to use it. That's not how to use it. After applying it on your face, you rub it all over your face, like the important place you know you want that place, that DETTOL to touch, you rub it all over your face. After then, you leave it for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You wash it out. Yes, wash it out. Okay, you wash it out. After you wash it out, your face will be sticky, like very, very tight, like not that tight, like very dry. Like your face will be very, very, very dry, and you don't want your face to be very, very dry. At that moment, you don't need to apply a lot of skincare. Like, you know, a lot of people apply different type of skincare on their face. Just go on with only your moisturizer. And if you are doing this, you do it for 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week. Do not do it every day. Okay? Do not do it every day. Make sure that's the important thing you need to know. Don't leave it on your face. Wash it out. A lot of people don't wash it out and they don't dilute it. You need to dilute this thing. This thing is very, very hot. You need to dilute it. After you dilute it, before you use this one to apply it on your face, and then 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you wash it out and go with just only your moisturizer. Okay, after then you are good to go. And the second method is you put when you are taking your bath, you put this DETTOL inside your bath, inside your water, any kind of water you are using to bathe. Make sure the water you are using is very, very, very clean. Yes, make sure the water you are using is very, very clean, because this water that you are using to bathe, if you watch this water, if you watch your bucket, you see that if you are that kind of person that is using bucket to bathe, you see that the dirty will be staying inside the bucket. Do you understand? So make sure you are using clean water, like I mean clean water to bathe whenever you want to use this thing on your face. Okay, you put this DETTOL inside the water and then use it to bathe. So literally you are using it to wash the water to wash your face and all that. So that's another way for you to erase this thing on time. So it's best for you to choose. And if you also use this, let me know in the comment section if you have used this DETTOL and it worked for you. It worked for me. I've used it and it did not burn my face. It did not burn my face. I used these two methods. That's what I use, and the pimples run before I started using my skincare product to clear my dark spot and all that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, if you have not followed this page, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscription is free. Please like this video and share. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.